Hi guys, I'll tell you a very interesting story. Once upon a time we vacationed in Egypt and my mother-in-law came up with a very interesting cocktail. When we were flying, I bought Jack Daniel's whiskey, it's honey, in the duty-free. And in hotel's room, they constantly brought us a Sprite. And so my mother-in-law mixed these two drinks in the right proportion and it turned out amazingly delicious. I will show you how to do this cocktail. First of all, you need a Sprite and you need a little bit of whiskey, Jack Daniel's honey. Just pour the Sprite into the glass, pour the whiskey. You mix these drinks and it's very tasty and became delicious. Thank you for watching guys, put like, subscribe to the channel and you will never miss the next cool videos.